Welcome to the ACC Anywhere site overview and credit claiming tutorial. This video tutorial will show a brief overview of the site as well as show you how to claim credits. You'll begin here on the landing page. You can log in using the Login button at the top of the page. You may be momentarily redirected to acc.org. Log in using your ACC credentials associated with registration. You are now on the home page. Here you can view recommended videos for you, the most watched videos on ACC Anywhere, collections, and events. Explore the rest of the site via the navigation bar at the top of the page. You can browse the Videos tab to view all videos on ACC Anywhere, the Collections tab to view all collections, the Events tab to view all past events, and the Credit tab to review and claim credits. On the Videos, Collections, and Event pages, you're able to filter by topic, credit type, and event. For example, if you're looking for videos that are about health equity from ACC 23 WCC, you would do so as shown here. Each video will display their title, a brief description, presenters, and credits that apply. The bookmark button, shown here, will allow you to save videos to watch or review later. You can access your bookmark videos by going to your profile and selecting Bookmark Videos, as shown here. You are also able to share a video via email or a shareable link by clicking the Share button shown here. You can also like a video by clicking the Like button. This will allow ACC Anywhere to recommend more videos to you that are similar to ones you like. If slides are available for a video, you are able to download them by using the Download Slides button here. This will download the slides as a PDF to your computer. Select the Credit tab to see an overview of your watch time by credit type. Please note that 1 hour of watch time equals 1 credit. You can claim credit for ACC Anywhere multiple times up to the maximum offered throughout the year by clicking the Claim Credit button. You will be brought to the ACC Anywhere Evaluation and Credit Claim page. If it's your first time claiming credit this year, you will be asked to complete a short evaluation before you can submit your credits that you are claiming. Please note that each claim will be displayed on your transcript as an individual claim or certificate, and that credit and watch time will reset each year in early January so you can have a fresh start.